Alright YouTube, it's your boy Impala Chris coming back at you with another video. This is just a quick glimpse into something we just picked up. And then you'll see some more cars coming soon. And stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you keep passing the channel on. And let's get back to the street. Man, I'm good with the Impalas, but you don't have to strictly do Impalas. Do whatever car you know. And by the time you guys see this video, this car will probably already be gone, so. Yes, drove many hours to come get this thing, so. Like I said, man, we take these things any shape, form, man. Don't matter if they're broke apart, 3 different pieces, whatever, man.
Oh yeah, it was hard. Tell me when to stop. So good?
Everybody's nightmare to come out and see a car like this, especially a 61 rag. You guys don't kill me for taking the wheels off, but they're coming from LA to come pick this thing up tomorrow. My buddy, who's done bought a couple rags from me already, me and him do the same thing. Besides, he does some of the metal work to the cars, but me and him are doing basically the same thing. I don't want to do no metal work to none of the cars, but we're both pretty good at finding these cars. And he told me, like, man, I wouldn't mind finding the 61. And I was like, you know what, bud? I know where 2 are. And here she is. Not much to look at, but to us Impala lovers, this is like the next best thing to a 59 rag. Like, Chris, why is the wheels missing? In Kansas City, 14-inch wheels that fit on these cars are hard as hell to find. My buddy in LA said that's not a problem. So we got them off. So you know what that means. We're bringing another one home. Well, more than one, but we gotta go one by one. So I'm gonna miss it, but this is how I get my project cars done, doing this. What do you guys think? What is your guys' favorite years? It don't even have to be an Impala, it can be any kind of car. What was your childhood, like, car that you guys enjoyed and had back in the day? What was your guys' first car? What was your guys' first car? What was your guys' favorite car? If you guys leave a comment below. And probably Chris like to know. car I learned how to drive in was a 77 LTD. And boy, it was a boat. If you can turn that thing without hitting anything, man, you can whip one of these very easy. He's coming for those parts too. You guys know what those are. Convertible tubs. That's the 2 tubs right there, and he done took the windshield post. I know they look rusty, but he has a sandblaster and he knows how to put them all in. There's gonna be 2 rags right there. So a total 3 rags he's gonna have. Get back to the street. You guys have a lovely time. Peace. Tired and then pull the trailer farther. It's easy to push. It's your boy Impala Chris saying goodbye to another car. I know you guys, when we drop this video, it's gonna be like bam, 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 but we got 2 64s we're picking up. Stay tuned. On my YouTube, man. Huh? You have to say something for my YouTube. Tell me out. Here, man, get
What's up,
here.
man? From LA, right here. Getting this 61 for Chris. Doing business. You know, pretty clean. Coming back with more for sure.
We be getting those rags, I tell you, man. Me and this dude right here. Boy, getting those rags. You want a rag? Come holla. Holla, holla. Holla, holla, holla.
Boy Chris, Impala Chris right here. Make sure you guys follow him. You know, he got a lot of out there, man. He got a lot of rags, a lot of hard tops or whatever. But we're right here picking them up and making it happen for the people that like to ride out there.
About the 63
Alright, let's do this. Alright, man.
I'm keeping the 63, I'm keeping it.
Alright,
Oh, please.
Alright, man.
Yeah. See you soon, man. Impala Chris, man, bringing back another one, going back to the streets. This will probably hit the blooper reel, but that's what we do, man. And we about to go get another one.